I'm reaching. Brace yourself for elimination. Ignored. No longer wasting what we stored. Immune over device. Advanced track in your demise. Searching now complete. Ancient by design. Renders you obsolete as you crawl back inside. Elimination ignored. No longer racing what we stored. Immune over device. Advanced track in your demise. Shifter dimension has lost control. Dimension shifter unknown.
Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Those days are over. You don't have to sell your body through the night. Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight. Walk the streets for money. You don't care if it's wrong or if it's right. Roxanne, you don't have to put on red light. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. 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 I loved you since I knew you. I wouldn't talk down to you. I have to tell you just how I feel. I won't share you with another boy. I know.
Never been so inside. When I give it to you. Never been so existent. You can't know unless you feel it. Come back. Body's aching. From the wanting, the waiting. I get this pain when you're leaving. Never felt this before. Never felt this before. Is it written on my back? Yeah. Take it back and then let it go. Let it go. Is it written on my back? Yeah. Take it back and then let it go. Every day is the day that you save me. Light into darkness, cut on the sharpness of you. Never been so inside. Falling
Picture this, I'm a bag of dicks, put me to your lips. I am sick, I will punch a baby bear in his shit. Give me lip, I'ma send you to the yard. Get a stick, make a switch. I can end the conversation real quick.
I am crack, I ain't lying. Kick a lion in this crack. I'm the shit. I will fall off in your crib, take a shit. Hit your mama on the booty, kick your dog, fuck your bitch. That boy dressed up like you Santa and took pictures with your kids.
We the best, we will cut a frowny face in your chest, little wench. I'm unmentionably fresh, I'm a mensch. Get correct, I will walk into a court while it wrecks, screaming, yes, I am guilty, motherfuckers, I am death. Hey, you wanna hear a good joke?
Nobody speak, nobody get choked.
Who flame throw your fuck shit to Funyuns. Flame your crew quicker than Trump fucks his youngest. The face of flame fuckers, your fame and fate's done with.
Charlie Brown, Peppermint, Patty, Linus, and Lucy. Put coke in the doobie, roll woolies to smoke with Snoopy. I still remain that dick grabbing slacker to spill the wookie. Cause the total of the toolie will murder you friggin' moolies. Fuck out of here. Yeah.
Nobody speak, nobody get choked, hey. Nobody speak, nobody get choked, hey.
Nobody speak. Nobody speak.
Will it ever get better than this? If it ever gets better than this, if it ever gets better than this, I'm walking out of here. 'Cause I've done everything I could, everything I learned. Oh yes, I've done everything I could, everything I learned. Everything I could, everything I learned. Oh yes, I'm doing everything I could, everything I learned. Now you know yourself, and everybody else has been scratched to death. You're a fucking mess. Your liquid friends tend to live distress. Is it hard to breathe with my hands around your neck?
Well, my eyes are closed, but my heart's on fire because the glow